Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on Android. First, make sure your controller has enough battery. Next, open your Android device's settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now, on your PS4 controller, simultaneously press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This puts it into pairing mode, ready for connection. Once in pairing mode, your Android device should display wireless controller in its available Bluetooth devices list. Tap on it to establish the connection. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Android device and the PS4 controller. Also, confirm that the controller isn't currently paired with another PlayStation console or device, which could prevent a new connection. With your PS4 controller successfully connected, you're ready to enhance your mobile gaming experience. Many popular Android games, especially those designed for a console-like feel, offer native controller support. Dive into the game settings to customize button layouts if available. Emulators and cloud gaming services on Android also frequently support external controllers, providing a more immersive way to play. For optimal performance, always keep your Android operating system updated to its latest version, as this often includes improved Bluetooth stability and controller compatibility. Remember to disconnect your PS4 controller from your Android device via Bluetooth settings when you're finished playing to conserve its battery life. Enjoy the enhanced precision and comfort your PS4 controller brings to your mobile gaming adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.